The great outdoors. Nothing compares with a little fresh air and scenic beauty. But wouldn't it be nice to get away from it all without losing sleep to an uncomfortable cot or air mattress? This trip, rest easy with Cam-O-Bunk from DiscoBed. DiscoBed is designed around this patented disc to give you an easy, tool-free setup. Like with all DiscoBed cot systems, it all starts with a click. The unique rail system provides stability and flexibility, adjusting and correcting for uneven ground, while the rounded end frame alleviates ground sinking. As one of the only cots on the market without a mid-bar, Cam-O-Bunk provides a natural contouring sleep system. Our sleep system is easily bunkable to save tent space and supports up to 500 pounds on each level. Or convert the top bunk into a bench for daytime fun. DiscoBed also offers a range of accessories for storage and comfort. For more space under or between cots, accessorize with our optional leg extensions. The great outdoors have always been beautiful. Now they can be comfortable too, with Cam-O-Bunk from DiscoBed.
You like traveling, going on adventures, exploring. Maybe you're into team sports, or simply enjoy staying fit. Is water your element and sky your limit? Well, we've got something for you. One Soap, a solid, natural hair and body wash for your active lifestyle. Use it wherever you like. Throw it in your bag and forget about it. Say no to bag spills and plastic bags at the airport. No shelf? No problem. No matter where you go or what you do, One Soap.
The R2 Gear Mark III is a brand new multifunctional outdoor communication tool. In a dynamic outdoor scene, it is common for you to fumble to grab your phone and end up dropping it. No doubt it will break your heart. The team at R2 Gear Mark III, big fans of outdoor activities, have been trying to resolve this issue for the last 2 years. After the successful development of the MK1, we have finally launched the Gear Mark III, the most convenient and safe outdoor communication tool. The Mark III, a smartphone-based walkie-talkie, is designed to feel like a real walkie-talkie, and its buttons in the user's grip. People can use it with ease by connecting users' smartphones and the Mark III via Bluetooth. You can complete the setup process with your group members. Then your precious smartphone can be safely stowed in a bag. By using the clip of Mark III, you can attach the Mark III to a shoulder strap. You can now freely use your hands. Simply push the yellow button on the Mark III when you need to talk to them. Given that the Mark III is paired with your smartphone, there are no limits in numbers or distance. You can even talk with your friends from abroad. And that's not all.
Incoming call. Incoming call.
Given the Mark III is connected with smartphones, users can call just as if it is a phone. Also, it has a built-in speaker so that users can enjoy music. Moreover, the Mark III is equipped with 6 buttons for the most frequently used functions while outdoors. For example, there is an LED light to help users see in dark places or at night. And there is an SOS button. It shows the most necessary functions while outdoors are summed up as one-touch button. The Mark III has strong durability to endure the harsh conditions expected outdoors. It can work in the snow and rain and survive being dropped into water by accident. The R2 Gear Mark III aims to help those who like to share precious moments outdoors with people.
이번 R2 기어 마크 3를 통해서 여러분의 탐험에 도움이 될 수 있는 계기가 되었으면 좋겠습니다.